Hi, I'm Nancy in Oklahoma, and I want to tell you about one of my favorite companies. It's called MadeOn, and it's made with all natural products. And their signature product, it started with the Beesilk bar, and it's made with 3 ingredients. It has beeswax, coconut oil, and shea butter. And this is their family size. And there's also the individual sizes, and they come in different flavors, if you will, or scents, I should say, because you don't really eat them. But they smell so good you'd want to, like they have all chocolate. And they have lavender, and they have citrus, and there's other things too. These are just a few of the ones that I have. Then they have other products like the bug block that comes in really handy during the summertime. And for when you're working out and you have those really sore muscles, like I garden, so I have really sore muscles at the end of using a hoe, a rake, and shovel. So there's also the Be Cool. And then there's lip balm, there's natural lip balm, and then there's tinted one like the Crimson Rose. And sometimes there's specialty ones that are made, like the Wellness Mama, there was a chocolate cherry one made. And I love the products so much. I've been using them for a few years. I found out about Renee from, who's the owner of MadeOn, and her story through an Ultimate Bundle package several years ago. And I've been buying the products ever since. I've been so encouraged that I've decided to try it out because it seemed like it was easy and simple, you know, because the ingredients are all natural and there's very few of them in there. That I actually bought one of the kits to make my own lip balms and bars myself. So I've got the beeswax and some of the other things that came with it. I have not made it yet, but there is a video by Crystal Payne with Money Saving Mom that did that you can check out, which is really cool. But I highly encourage you to try out these products. They are wonderful.